Hey guys, I'm Lucy Vincent, and today I want to talk about why you need video marketing part of your business strategy and marketing strategy, but additionally how you can get started with actionable tips, because I know how scary it can seem to jump in front of a camera and it can seem extremely uncomfortable. You're worried you're going to fumble with your words. So I'm going to show you how you can do video marketing for your brand totally pain-free, as well as introduce the major reasons why you can't avoid doing video marketing anymore in 2020 or beyond. So I am super excited to get started with these points. I know how terrifying it can really be to be in front of a camera and how worried most people are that they're gonna fumble and all of that stuff. So we're gonna walk you through strategies that you can put in place today to get over your fear and start creating really amazing video content for your brand. So before we go any further, if you like this video, I would absolutely love for you to click that lovely red subscribe button right below my video so you get notified every time I come out with new videos. I create content specifically for entrepreneurs on strategies for entrepreneurship, mindset, as well as marketing. So my whole goal is to give as much value as possible to people who are just starting out or who are on the journey of entrepreneurship and are looking for some tips and for some help. I am here to offer that. So I'm super excited to get started today. First thing is Mark Zuckerberg actually announced that Facebook and therefore Instagram are going to become video first platforms. So they are going to incentivize people to start sharing more videos because consumers react and spend more time on the platform and engage more heavily with videos than they do with just text or just photos. So you really need to start using video in your marketing strategy for your brand if you haven't already, and there's a ton of ways to do that. Another fact, if you're not sold on video marketing yet, is that videos attract 300% more traffic on average. And if you just use the word video in your subject title, your open rates on your email skyrockets. So these are all reasons that you really should get behind the trend of video marketing for your brand. And if you're thinking, great, Lucy, but I'm gonna sound like a dumbass and I'm scared, or maybe not a dumbass, but I'm gonna sound like a fool and I'm scared to get in front of the camera, how do I overcome those fears? So the tip number one to get comfortable in front of the camera is to step into a different persona. Think of somebody that you know that is really good in front of the camera or on stage, and step into their quality, like step into that person's mindset and just tell yourself you can. This is actually a very common public speaking technique for people that are introverts that have to become extroverts or speak coherently on stage. So taking on somebody else's persona and just getting yourself in the mood, listening to music, saying positive affirmations, all of these things, getting excited, are good ways to be more confident in front of the camera as well as on stage. So this is what I would recommend. Definitely listen to music and just tell yourself that in this moment, you are becoming the person that needs you to become to be amazing and super comfortable in front of the camera. Second tip that most people forget to consider is that videos can easily be deleted. It's not permanent. You can easily do a retake if necessary. I'm sure we're gonna have a lot of funny bloopers to show you. Cue the bloopers of me screwing up on camera, and works so well. So this 4 is, it's not gonna last forever, and you can do as many takes as you want with the majority of video marketing techniques out there today. So there's no reason to be nervous. Be comfortable, shake it out. It's gonna be fine, and you're gonna do a great job. Additionally, one way that I absolutely love to get super comfortable in front of the camera is with Instagram stories. I'm gonna pull out my phone right now and post to my Instagram story. The nice thing about Instagram stories is that you can easily rewatch what you look like and what you sound like in that exact moment. You can delete, you can retake, you can put filters on, you can ask questions. It can take 10 seconds, but if you get more comfortable with doing this, you'll feel more confident in front of the camera on other platforms or just a standard like DSLR camera. You'll feel more confident and comfortable as well. So that is definitely tip number 3. Let's jump onto my Instagram story, show you what I do. Okay, so we're on Instagram. Hi Instagram, I am here filming some awesome content about why your brand needs video marketing in 2020 and the steps that you can take to feel really comfortable and confident in front of a camera. So I hope you guys will watch it once we release it. Bye. See, it was as easy as that. You can throw a filter on it. It's really easy. I'm gonna post this now. And that's all you need. It's so simple, and you can do as many takes as you want to get super confident. I would recommend doing as many stories as possible. I would say at least 3 to 4 a day is important for brands. If you aren't doing any stories right now, start with 1 a day. We don't have to get too crazy. But you definitely are going to want to start getting out there on in stories, because a lot of shoppers are looking at brand stories prior to making a purchasing decision. Additionally, posting on your stories will allow you to become top of mind. A lot of people right now are just going through stories and they're not necessarily scrolling through their Instagram feeds anymore. So if you show up with an interesting story on Instagram, people might say, oh, that's cool, I want to check out more about, you know, XYZ interiors or whatever type of business you own. So it's a great way to get top of mind awareness and in front of your target audience. The 4th tip that I want to cover today is to talk about focusing on the end consumer. Focus on the message that you have, that you are put on this planet to share with your ideal client or the person that you want to be speaking to. When you start to focus, change your perspective and focus on somebody else, their life will be improved from hearing your message. And so you really need to share and get comfortable on video, not for your benefits or for the benefits of your company, but for the benefit of the end consumer, the person that you really care about and want to help their life improve and make a real difference and impact on their life. I hope you guys found a lot of value from this video. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and give me the big thumbs up if you found any valuable content, or let me know additionally in the comments below how you're going to start using these strategies. Additionally, I would love to become friends in real life or Instagram real life. Click my link below to check out my page, comment on my page, let me know that you've watched my videos and what your biggest takeaways are, and I would love to support you and your new video venture. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.